Hello students, today we are going to learn about median. If the numbers in a data are arranged in ascending order, the number at the middle position is called the median. If the number of observations is odd, that is if there are 5 observations or 7 observations, so there is only one value at the middle position and that is the median. Suppose there are even number of observations. For example, if there are 8 observations, if there are 10 observations, then there are 2 values at the middle. Then, how will you find out the median then? Then we find the mean of those 2 middle values. That will be the median. Now, let us understand how to find out the median of a grouped frequency distribution the help of an example. Here, the given table shows the classification of number of workers and the daily number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So here we have to find out the median. First, we have to make a table containing 3 vertical columns. First column is class. That is here daily number of hours. The given classes are 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14 and 14 to 16. See here the classes are continuous. How we can check whether classes are continuous or not? See the upper class limit of a class. See the difference of the upper class limit of a class and the lower limit of the class succeeding it. So what is the difference? Here they are the same. So if they are not equal, then we have to make the classes continuous. Now here frequencies are, for the first class it is 150. Second class 500. Third 300. And the frequency of the last class is 50. Find the sum of all these frequencies, that is sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to, find the sum of all these, that is 1000. Now next column is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means we have to add the frequencies, like first is 150 only, then 150 plus 500, that is 650, then 650 plus 300, 950, 950 plus 50, that is 1000. So this is the cumulative frequency table, that is less than cumulative frequency table. Now here we got sigma Fi is equal to, sigma Fi means it is the capital N, that is the total number of frequencies, is equal to 1000 Now find N by 2. N by 2 is equal to 1000 divided by 2, which is equal to 500. Then next we have to find out the median class. For that, to find the median class, we will see in the cumulative frequency table where this 500 lies. So here till 150 and here 650. So this 500 lies in this class. So this class is the median class. This is the median class. So which is the median class? 10 to 12. And what is the frequency of the median class? 500. Now median is equal to, the formula is median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by F into H. Now, median is, this is the formula for finding out the median. M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L means it is the lower limit of the median class. So 10 to 12 is the median class. Therefore, L is equal to, what is the lower limit of this class? 10. So L is equal to 10. And we have N by 2, that is 500. Then CF is equal to CF. CF means it is the cumulative frequency up to the median class. CF is equal to cumulative frequency preceding the median class, that is 150. So CF is equal to 150. Then F is equal to frequency of the median class. Here median class is this. Frequency of the median class is 500. H is equal to class interval. So here 8 to 10, what is the class interval? 2. So substituting these values in the formula, M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So median is equal to L plus 10 plus N by 2. N by 2 is what? 500. 500 minus CF is 150 upon F 500 into H is 2. So that is equal to 10 plus 500 minus 150, 350 upon 500 into 2 is equal to 10 plus 700 divided by 500. We can cancel these two zeros. 7 upon 5, that is equal to 10 plus 7 upon 5 is 1.4 is equal to 11.4. Therefore, writing the final answer, median of number of hours they work. Is equal to 11.4.